For all the latest from the world of motoring, hit that subscribe button and stay connected. Tata Motors has just officially rolled out the production version of the Harrier SUV. The Harrier is made at the company's new assembly line in Pune, which was set up in just 6 months using the best manufacturing processes from Jaguar Land Rover. It boasts of 90% automation levels with over 100 plus KUKA and ABB robots. Built on the Omega platform derived from Jaguar Land Rover's D8 architecture, this much-awaited SUV will be launched in early 2019. Tata has officially begun accepting bookings for the Harrier for Rs 30,000 and the SUV will be priced in the range of Rs 16 to 21 lakh. Design of the production version looks very similar to the concept displayed at the Auto Expo and will be powered by the all-new 2-litre Cryotech diesel engine. The Harrier will also get premium interiors and terrain response modes. Subscribe to our channel now to get exclusive videos on the Harrier and other exciting cars in the future.